I was always in awe of airplanes.
Their size,
how far they can go,
how many people they can carry,
and how they're able to fly in the open air.
they're just amazing.
as an aircraft maintenance technician, I've become an expert on the advanced technologies that makes planes work.
We know them inside and out. But what matters most is who's inside.
My priority is to make sure that every passenger
Gets where they want to go.
Safely.
I'm proud to be a part of our passengers' vacations, helping to brighten their day until they reach their destination.
As soon as I finished school, I was hired at Air Transat. For me, it was a dream job. From my first day, I felt welcome. Even though I'm young, my colleagues respect me and are always happy to share their knowledge with me.
I chose to work for Air Transat because it's one of the best airlines in the world.
For me, Air Transat means quality,
Teamwork.
Passion.
and we're always moving.
We face new challenges all the time and work through them together.
I've always got something new to learn, even after years on the job.
Our diversified fleet is evolving.
And the best is yet to come.
Every time I look up to the sky and see Air Transat plane in the air, I feel proud because I know I've done my job well.
So many people depend on us, and we always come through.
Our fleet takes off and lands countless times each day, and it does so safely because of us.
And that is the most satisfying feeling of all.
Will you be part of the journey?